Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Tech Sampled. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the ringfit Adventure bundle. So on the front you've got the Nintendo Switch with a controller, and then you've got the leg strap, the ring con, and you've got the ringfit Adventure game, which comes as a download code, I believe. Yeah. So on the side it just gives you a description of what's in the box. Okay, so on the back of the box, you've got a really nice image of how the actual the ring con and leg strap works. It's a save the world while working up a sweat in this exercise adventure, and it's got images of the actual game itself, and on the side you've got some further info about the game. Right, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Little flap there. Chop it off. Pull this flap up, and it says you only get one body, take care of it. Take this back a bit. Now, as you can see, you've got the two controllers, left and right hand side, and you've got the Nintendo Switch there, and just some simple start diagram. So let's take out the unit now. So the flaps comes up. So inside here, just going to bring this down a bit and show you guys. Right, so you've got a HDMI cable. You've got the ringfit code. You've got some documentation, switch light, ringfit adventure, and then you've got this, I assume is, not sure. Figure it out in a minute. Got the power adapter. Got the actual Nintendo Switch here. Controllers. Left and right. What's this? You got a little docking station there, and I guess this is the controller attachment. So you pop the two controllers, left and right, like that, clamp in, and it gives you a full controller. Apart from that, what else you got in here? So that top bit is empty, put it to one side. Then you actually got the ring fit attachment. So quite material on here is actually really quite nice, really comfortable to hold. You've got the bottom part, which is the attachment for the controller, but yeah, very nice. Next part, you've got the leg attachment. Just here. Again, really good quality material. And that is it. That's everything. So just going to move this box out of the way now and just show you the items in a bit more detail. Right, so these are all the things that you get inside the box. So you've got the HDMI cable, you've got the power supply unit, you've got the left and right side of the controller, you've got the control attachments. I know earlier, you only saw me taking out one, but there's actually two in the box. You've got the ring fit, ring con. You've got the leg strap, the actual switch itself, the manual, the game code. You've got the controller attachment, and you've got the docking station to link to your TV. So that in essence is the Ring Fit Adventure bundle pack. Can't wait to use it. If you like this video, then guys, please leave a like. If you want more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Until next time.